There we go. Right there.
Technology back to us they've stolen the last 50 years. You want shutters that are made here in Fresno, California. P&J Custom Window Coverings is where you're going to get them. The only place you can get them. Where I got them for my last home on Van Ness. And you're darn straight because I'm getting them in every room in my new home, and I'm not telling you where that's at. One thing I learned the last time I had these shutters is the great energy savings in the summer and in the winter. I don't think we can make an official claim about that. It's just something I noticed on my own power bill. Hey, you want to seek some cover? P&J, the leading manufacturer of motorized roller shades, cell shades, and a brand new line of premium shutters that'll blow your mind. I'm telling you to call them up and get a free estimate for your home. I'm telling you, this is one of the most impressive products I've ever dealt with in my longevity at KMJ. Click pnjwindowcoverings.com.
News Talk 580, 1059 KMJ, and streaming worldwide at kmjnow.com.
Mark Levin here with an urgent alert about your financial security. This October, China and Russia will lead the other BRICS nations in a global meeting to attempt to replace the United States dollar as the common currency. And with these major economies exploring alternatives to the dollar's status as the world's reserve currency could be in jeopardy. That's why I believe it's crucial to take steps to protect your wealth immediately. On Thursdays, I'll be hosting a special financial summit with my friends at Advantage Gold to show you exactly what we feel those steps are. Now, during this free online event, you'll see how to help protect your money from the BRICS situation as well as other key threats to America's financial freedom. Secure your spot today. Call 800-900-8000 and mention my name, Mark Levin. Call Advantage Gold, 800-900-8000 to register right away for this free event. That's 800-900-8000. Tell them Mark Levin sent you. Performance may vary. You should always consult your financial and tax professional.
Liberal elites crazy with a dose of common sense. This is the Mike Levin Show. The Mike Levin Show. Mike Levin, the thunder on the right. Call in now, 877-381-3811.
Our friend Jim Jordan on the program, chairman of the House Judiciary Committee. Congressman, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, Mark. How are you doing, brother?
I've been better. I'm kind of sick, and I'm sick and tired of what's going on in this country. I'll be perfectly honest with you, Congressman. And
well, we appreciate you fighting. I've watched your show, and I've listened to you, and I appreciate you fighting for liberty, fighting for our dear and best friend, the state of Israel, and everything else. So, God bless you.
Well, you're very, very kind. Now, what is going on with this ISA now in the House?
You got to have a warrant requirement. Look, there's this big database of information that gets collected. I'm all for surveillance coroners that want to do us harm, but when you do that, you inevitably pick up a number of Americans, many times innocently. And if you're going to go search that database, you got to go to a separate equal branch of government and get a probable cause warrant. And that is how it works, particularly when you're thinking about the FBI. The FBI who spied on the presidential campaign. The FBI who said if you're a parent going to a school board meeting, you need to be investigated. The FBI who said if you're a pro-life Catholic, you're an extremist. And the FBI, maybe most importantly, who retaliated against whistleblowers who came and gave us information about those subjects. That FBI, it seems to me, if they're going to search and do what's called a U.S. person query, which is a fancy name for a search of a U.S. person, you got to go to a judge. You got to go to the court. We're not to be defied the court. You got to go to the court and get a warrant.
I mean, why the hell is this so controversial? That goes from the beginning of our country and even before. And since this is the party and the administration that is no doubt letting terrorists into this country, why wouldn't they come into this country? The idea that you can't get a warrant, and you know there are ways to get quick warrants. There are ways to do it, but you need you're right. You need a third branch. The idea that they won't do that. Wasn't there some story I read, Congressman, that there were like 3.5 million mistakes made when they were monitoring American citizens and the FBI apologized? Remember that?
Yeah, well, there was actually 278,000 separate times they queried the database on U.S. persons and didn't follow their own rules. So, now look, there's a base text of this bill. We're trying to get the warrant amendment onto it. The warrant amendment, by the way, was on the bill that came out of the Judiciary Committee. It's been taken off the bill, and we have to insert it back in this process. Well, the leadership took it off. They said, no, you got to add it back in because the Intel Committee doesn't want it. But it was in the judiciary bill that came out of our committee 35-2. So you got Jerry Nadler and Jim Jordan agreeing that if you're going to go search U.S. persons information, go get a warrant. But the FBI 278,000 times, this is the Washington Post reporting this last May, 278,000 times didn't follow their own rules. So just putting more rules and regulations and audit requirements, reporting requirements, criminal penalties on the FBI that's abused it 278,000 times, did all those other things we just talked about, that ain't enough. You got to go to a separate and equal branch of government to get a warrant. That's how our great system, the greatest system ever.
But are you telling me,
in the Constitution, that's how it works.
Are you telling me, I don't want to put you on the spot, I can figure out the names, so you telling me we have a committee, majority Republicans, that took the warrant provision out? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I'm saying that the way this process was worked out, they want to go with the base text because Judiciary Committee was strongly for the warrant requirement I just described. Oh, by the way, Mark, we actually have exceptions in there. If there's an emergency situation, you can go right and do the query. So we even, and I'm actually a little nervous about that, but we were willing to do all that to help protect Americans' freedom. We had that come out of the committee, that bill. Intel had a different bill that they did not have the warrant requirement on, and we're starting with the base text that makes us try to add the warrant requirement back into the legislation, which I think we got to win this amendment. This whole debate's supposed to happen, and the amendment will be offered on, it's supposed to happen on Thursday. We got to win this thing.
We have a situation now, Congressman. If you